Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. Now we have, as you know, a variety of different specialty lighting available here on SIRENNET, and JW Speaker is one of those brands that we're very proud to sell and is somewhat unique. The model in question we're going to be having a look at with, of course, our good friend Chris, who will be doing an overview, is on the model 0549021. Don't have my teleprompter today, so I've got to read off the notes, and we're going to go from here over to see what Chris is up to. Take it away, Chris.
Well, thank you, Stuart. I happen to have here from our friends at JW Speaker the model 8800 LED high beam headlight. It happens to be a 4x6 for its size, and it has a standard 3-pin connector on it, as you can see here. In the industry, it's referred to as a 1A1 or a 2A1 connector. The fixture itself is designed for new vehicle applications and retrofitting older vehicles as well. So if you have apparatus and DOT vehicles that are using a standard incandescent or halogen 4x6 headlight bucket system, these will be able to take their place. They will give you an LED beam spectrum. As I mentioned, this is the high beam, and also available from our friends at JW Speaker comes the low beam version as well. So depending on how you're setting up your vehicle, you can add the highs, you can add the lows, or go ahead and take the two and do a full upgrade on the application. The part number for the high beam fixture itself is 0549021. Again, a 4x6 has a heavy duty heat sink on the back, which is what you're seeing here. So the finning helps distribute the heat off the fixture after it's been on and working for you. The high beam fixture itself draws 2¼ amps, and with that, very low draw on your vehicle. Going to be lower than the incandescents that they're replacing, so with that, you can free up a bit of load on your vehicle electrical system. Nice thing with the LED headlight fixtures that we offer from JW Speaker is that they are an instantaneous on and off. Unlike incandescents and xenons that take a second or a few to warm up and get to their full intensity, these offer an instantaneous beam. So very nice for vehicles that need to have light and need to have it now. The high beam, in comparison to the low beam here, you can see has a larger center projector bulb, and with that, it works as you would expect a high beam to. It breaks the light pattern up and down and projects it further out versus the tighter beam, which is focused for a conventional low beam headlight. The fixture itself is DOT approved, so with that, again, when you're updating your apparatus or building a new one, you will be compliant for the highways and the byways. I'm going to go ahead, put 12 volts to the fixture here, so I can turn it on and give you an idea of the instantaneous power that this offers, and give you an idea of how the beam is going to work. Also, for folks at home wondering, 850 lumens is the effective output that this is offering. So a nice, good output. Again, a high beam pattern, so nice and wide and very appropriate for illumination at night when driving. Point it down a little bit so it doesn't blind the folks at home and at the office quite as bad here. As you can see, nice and bright, a very well put together beam pattern, again with the diode mounted behind the front projector lens here. And again, as you can see, in turning it on and off, it's instantaneous. Well, and there you have it, a look at the JW Speaker 8800 LED high beam. As I mentioned, also available in the low beam configuration as well. Go ahead and take a look at the product specs and additional details available on SIRENNET.com. I'm Chris. Back to you, Stuart.
Well, thanks, Chris. Quite an interesting overview of the high beam 0549021, available from JW Speaker, available here on SIRENNET Television. I'm Stuart, and as always, thanks for watching, and thanks, Chris.